Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the 2026 Salesforce Lightning interface to start building professional reports, ensuring you can technically access the studio tools required for high-end data extraction. Let's get into it. First, access the Sales Management Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to move from your home dashboard into your professional environment, where your sales records are technically housed. Look at the left-hand sidebar of your Salesforce interface. Locate and click on the Sales tab. The Sales tab acts as your primary gateway. It technically organizes all your professional bookkeeping objects like leads, accounts, and opportunities into one high-end workspace. Next, enter the Analytics workspace. Once inside the Sales app, you need to shift your focus from day-to-day CRM tasks to your high-end technical reporting tools. Move your eyes to the top navigation bar that runs horizontally across the screen. Locate and click on Analytics or Reports, depending on your specific configuration. The Analytics tab is a professional standard and for centralized market analysis. It technically pulls all your visualization and reporting tools into a single high-end location. Next, trigger the Report Creation Protocol. Now that you are in the Analytics Hub, you must technically initiate the creation of a new data report. Navigate to the top right corner of the page and click the prominent Create button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Report. This specific movement tells the technical engine that you are moving into the execution phase. Selecting Report from this drop-down is the mechanical necessity that opens the Report Type selection screen. In the Choose Report Type pop-up, search for your primary object, like Opportunities. Highlight your choice and click Start Report to technically launch the high-end builder. Verification is the launch phase. Choosing your report type is a professional standard that ensures your bookkeeping is accurate and that your studio environment has access to the correct high-end fields for your market analysis. And that's pretty much it. To start a report in 2026, navigate through the Sales tab on the left sidebar and select Analytics from the top bar. From there, click the Create button in the top right and select Report from the drop-down. Once the menu appears, you can choose your report type and technically begin your high-end market analysis. This professional workflow ensures your studio data is technically organized and ready for deep dive reporting. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.